Alright guys, here's the wave forecast for October 20th, 2006. Take a look at the NASDAQ. Google is way up. Was way up after hours. It all depends. I mean, last time they had a huge rally like this. They gapped up and they faded it out. And but last October it was the other way around. They gapped it up and kept going. If that happens with Google, it's going to be one of the best stocks to trade. That, Apple, and Research in Motion. RIM, Goog, and Apple. It all depends on how we open. Let's see how, if Google can gap up and sustain that move and close at the highs, that'd be incredible, because that could set up the year-end rally. The NASDAQ right now still has a ways to go. It's got to take out at least the top of the B, which is around 2362, excuse me. If it can take that out, it has a shot at 2368. But right now, it's still setting up for a downward 3 or a downward C. So, it all depends on how the market opens. Last time I saw, the futures were up a couple points. So, if Google can push the market up, the NASDAQ up, and gap it up, and rally it over 2362 at least, there's a shot at an upward 3. And if Google can close the highs, it could be a great trade, repeated trade over and over again until the end of the year. But right now, we still have that set up for a downward 3 and downward C in the NASDAQ. And tomorrow could be pretty big, according to the wave count. Because all three indexes have that set up. Well, S&P is very, very difficult to read. I mean, you get this gap, then you get this gap, and then you have this stuff. This is purely what happens during expiration. This is totally expiration. You get these very extremely warped waves, and you have this sideways pattern here. It's very difficult to read right now. I mean, if we can take out 1373, you can set up, I can't say 3 because it's very difficult to read. But, Dow's got, has a setup somewhat, but this is purely an expiration warp. Everything's warped here. Boom, gap, boom, gap, boom, gap, sideways. This is all expiration. This is triple witching right here. The most clear-cut looking chart, though, is the NASDAQ. And it all depends on how we gap tomorrow. If Google can rally and close at the highs on a Friday, that'd be impressive. Because it has a history of gapping up on earnings and then fading out dramatically. So, but last October was all the way around. It gapped up, kept going. That's a wrap.